I'm Dustin Planold, the host of the Block Card Learn video series. Our Block Card Learn video series is designed to provide a quick and easy to understand overview on some of the most popular coins, tokens, and various digital assets available in today's crypto ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and please share these videos if you find them helpful. What is Binance Coin? Binance Coin, also called BNB, was founded in 2017 by Zhangpeng Zhao and Roger Wan, and is the native coin of the Binance blockchain. It was initially based on the Ethereum blockchain until 2019, when Binance launched their own blockchain. It's similar to how Ether functions on Ethereum. BNB is used for all operations on Binance. BNB can be used to pay discounted trading fees on the Binance exchange, or to spend like other cryptocurrencies. The Binance exchange is one of the fastest on the cryptocurrency market, handling around 1.4 million orders per second. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, BNB cannot be mined. All 200 million coins were pre-mined during Binance's initial offering. Binance Coin has gained support throughout partnerships with high-end companies like Asia's live streaming platform Uplive, which has a user base of over 20 million people and sells virtual merchandise for BNB currency. To help maintain the value of BNB, Binance has a repurchase plan in place. It will use 20% of its profits to repurchase BNB coins every quarter and burn them until 50% of their currency becomes repurchased. Through this process, there will ultimately be 100 million BNB coins in circulation of the original 200 million, helping the crypto sustain a higher value. Digital assets like this one are supported by Block Card, and you can use them to fund your Block Card account and make purchases at over 50 million merchants worldwide. You can also use Block Card bank accounts to purchase popular assets like this one. Register for a free Block Card account at getblockcard.com.